exposing the mystery of the weird noise on the International Space Station. Ever wondered what's causing it? Let's find out. So astronauts aboard the International Space Station have reported hearing a low-frequency hum. It's been described as a mix between a hum and a buzz. But what's causing it? Turns out, this sound isn't coming from aliens or space debris. It's actually the station's own systems at work. The sound is produced by the air conditioning, fans, and pumps that keep the ISS running smoothly. These essential systems create vibrations that travel through the metal structure, creating that odd hum. It's a bit like living inside a giant high-tech refrigerator. So next time you think space is silent, remember this little tidbit. The ISS might not be haunted, but it sure has its quirks. The 5 Pash Jash Jest TV.